Meaty, savory, and of course, delicious. Bagay sa rice, bagay sa bread, ating beef and mushroom salpicao. Let's start cooking. So, ang beef salpicao is a stir-fried beef dish na pwedeng pang appetizer, of course, with your wine or your drinks, or pwede din siyang pang-ulam with rice. Bagay na bagay siya. And what we're using here, we're just using beef sirloin and we cut it into thin pieces. Pero to supplement and to achieve the chunky texture, we are adding whole mushrooms. Kaya beef and mushroom salpicao yung gagawin natin. Ang mushrooms ko, I will just season with salt muna. Yan, then halo-halo. On the other side, aking beef strips. And I will marinate with soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, konting oyster sauce para talagang malinamnam. A little bit of paprika. I am using sweet paprika. That's it, no? And on the other side, on my pan, meron ako ditong 12 cloves of whole garlic. And I will add olive oil. Turn on my heat. So ako, what I want to do with my garlic is, I want to cook it slowly, no? Napansin mo, nilagay ko na siya na hindi pa mainit yung aking pan. Just cook our garlic little by little. So while our garlic is cooking, mangyayari dito, it will already infuse the garlic flavor into our oil. Yan. While ito, nagmamarinate and nagsiseason na akong mushrooms. Simple-simple. Yan, saute-saute tayo. So we want this to brown and we will set it aside. And later on, we will use it as a garnish to our salpicao. Yan. So ito siya. We are slowly cooking our garlic, no? Slow fry lang siya. So it will brown and it will be cooked through. Hindi siya yung sunog sa labas, pero matigas pa yung garlic sa loob. No? And I already begin to smell the aroma of the garlic. So keep moving it around para mag-brown siya evenly, no? Hindi siya yung isang side sunog, isang side hilaw. And if you fry your garlic until it's, if you burn your garlic, magiging bitter. We don't like bitter. We want it to become sweet and garlicky yung ating gawa. Yan. So, little by little, almost there. Don't rush. Then, ito, mga small pieces, naluto na siya. May iba akong big pieces. Huli ko siya. Habol. Yan, no? So, kung small siya, mabilis maluto. Kung big siya, mas matagal siya maluto. Now, to put our garlic aside. Now, we will cook our mushrooms. We will fry our mushrooms with a little bit of butter, no? We have our oil. We will add some butter. And we will also saute our mushrooms, no? Yan. And if you saute your mushrooms, it will become more flavorful. So sometimes pag kumakain ka, yung mushrooms will already resemble the texture of meat. May bite, no? And nakakatipid ka ng konti kasi medyo mahal nga yung beef. And mushrooms, kahit puro mushrooms, pwede din, di ba? So it's a combination that we're doing today. So we want to brown the mushrooms a little bit. Konting brown lang para mas maging malinamnam. Yung gamit talaga natin dito, yung ating canned button mushrooms because, yan, it's very convenient to use at hindi na siya masyadong watery, no? Kasi if you use fresh mushrooms, it will expel too much water. Ang mangyayari dito ay magtutubig yung inyong mushrooms. Pag kumakain ka ng salpicao, one of the things that you like to taste, that's why we're using olive oil and butter, is that we want it to have that parang sauce niya ng konti kasi we want to dunk our bread or put it into our rice, di ba? Very hot pan. And now we will saute our beef. Ang bango. And if you're using chunks, no, you have your rib eye, you have your tenderloin, you can cook it medium well for best results, no? So, kanya-kanya, no? But this one, this cooks very quickly, no? We want to keep it juicy pa rin, no? Not to overcook. Oh, may sauce na tayo agad. Now, we will add our mushrooms. Yan. Beef, add our mushrooms. We will add our garlic as well. Yan. Let it cook through. If you have a sizzling plate, pwede sa sizzling plate. But this one will turn out very nicely. That's done. But before we finish, we will add our freshly cracked black pepper. Yan. Very nice. You can drizzle good olive oil to this. Papa-extra rice kayo nito. Very simple, very easy to do. Ang key lang dito ay don't overcook your beef. Oh my God. Side of vegetables. And titikman na natin. Mushrooms first. So ito siya, kahit mushrooms lang siya. Then, yung ninamnam na ating soy sauce and oyster sauce combination. Very meaty. Kung kailangan ko ng rice. Very nice. A simple but very comforting recipe ang dinuto natin today. Beef and mushroom salpicao. Simple! Please like and share my videos. And if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simple!